Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I know in the last video we said we were gonna pack and head out. Life happens. So it's Saturday morning, not Friday evening. So it's just gonna be an overnighter, but we're excited to have you along. We're so excited to be out, like super stoked. We haven't been out in a while. You've seen that in the last few videos. But a little sneak peek of something new. Can you see? That's it. We're gonna save that for its own video. But thanks for joining, and we will see you there. Ah, that was hard to get out.
I just heard frogs.
I heard that. I kind of thought that's what I heard, but I wasn't sure. So there's a very good chance that the destination we've chose today is going to be pretty busy. Right here. The wood that's washed down the river, people are probably chewing it up pretty quickly. Here, so we thought we'd take a look around and see what we can find on our way in.
Someone's been sawing in here. Yeah, it is pretty wet. Any luck?
Well, I can lift it. It's not that wet.
But it is wet.
It's not bone dry, but I don't even know where the we'd put this.
Yeah, that won't fit in the truck. It's too long. What about this thing?
I'll grab it and I'll see. Watch yourself in case. It actually seems like it's pretty dry.
Do we have room?
What's that?
Will that one fit though?
Well, it's just as long as the other one, if not. Actually, this is not that dry either. But really, what will be?
Fair.
We're just coming out of winter.
Yep. It's a bit too long.
Well, no. The situation I'm in right now is the way we've packed the truck. This is sitting at, if it slides forward, it's going right through my window.
Oh, that's not good.
I'm not willing to chance that.
Nope.
I would rather early night than have to pay for enough. We paid for enough on this truck.
So what do you think? It's a good spot?
Yeah, I think so.
It's not what we had envisioned,
No.
but it's still beautiful.
There was more people here than we anticipated, actually.
Well,
But I guess we're on that bridge part of the year, right?
Yeah.
So
beautiful sunny day. It's
yeah, we got good temps and everything else. So yeah, but it's good to see that kids playing and stuff like that, though.
Yeah, it's looks like a lot of more family.
Yeah, that's always better than the partiers.
Exactly.
But
So yeah.
For the first time, I guess we're gonna camp it. I got a bad sliver.
Oh dear. We get the nice river sounds.
Yeah, we won't be crammed in with the other people either.
Yeah, it's way busy along the lake.
Yeah. Cool. Let's set up camp and then we go on the scrounge for wood, I guess.
Awesome. That's super dry. Is it cuttable is the question.
I definitely have to put on my new chain for that. I don't want to put on my new chain because it's so rocky and sandy here.
Yep.
Like the stuff when it goes down the river, it collects all the sand and everything. It just kills your blade.
A tiny little fire pit right here. People will camp anywhere, I guess.
Including up right beside each other.
Wow, someone had a killer chainsaw to get through this one.
Yep.
That's so dry. It's kind of neat though. We've never been to this part per se.
Nope.
It's nice to see something a little different. Man, they'll cut anything. Look at this guy.
I was looking at that. I was like, there's some pieces over there too, but they look kind of...
They look, yeah. I'll go check.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Are we going to have another rave?
Could be.
Definitely going to have to get out of here before the rain in the morning.
As simple it gets. We're doing the dagwood. Come to save it.
Keeping it real.
We are totally keeping it real.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
But we do have our fire, our driftwood fire going. Let's take a look. It's kind of burning. So seeing as we were driving by the donut hive, we decided to make a pit stop. Wait till you see what we got. We decided to get a couple more of the apple pie donuts.
Oh, hey.
Hey.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, so girthy. Crazy.
I'll grab you a napkin because I'm sure we will require one.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm sorry we have not filmed as much as we should on this little day trip / overnight. We had some people put me in a mood. I don't know about you.
I was okay.
Were you alright?
I was all right. I mean, I wasn't happy that the situation happened, but I wasn't gonna.
Yeah. So anyways, there was no confrontation or anything. It was just someone. So we're at a place that's it's busy, but we sort of brought ourselves up the river a bit to kind of be by ourselves, and then someone literally came and parked literally probably what, 5 feet, 10 feet away from us. Yeah, that's not cool. It really isn't. Like,
No.
there was a lot of space out there, but they were right up against us as if one of our friends were camping with us. I would say, yeah. To be fair.
Yeah.
So yeah, we didn't film a lot because I was actually a little upset about that. But PSA, just give people room. I don't own this backcountry by any means, but I don't think you should be 5 feet away from my tailgate, to be honest, and then setting up everything else. But they're gone. We're gonna have an amazing evening now, and we'll probably film more than now that I'm not so like, get away from me. But that's me. That's a me problem. That's not their problem. That's not anybody else's problem. I was just, yeah. I don't know what to say, really.
I think that's...
I didn't film because I was upset. And that's okay to be upset.
Definitely okay to be upset.
That was just a rude thing to do.
Yes.
But, yeah. I'm chilling out now. They're gone. And it's going to be... We have a river. We have a fire. We have people that understand space. So it's going to be amazing, I think.
Yeah.
But,
and we have very little to do, so it's going to be chill. We've already had dinner. We've already had our donut.
Yeah. We have not done... Yeah. Yeah, actually.
Good morning, everyone. Well,
Morning. Hi.
It's not currently raining, but we did wake up to rain, and we heard it in the night. So we get to pack up everything wet, but it is still beautiful out. How'd you sleep?
Oh, I was amazing.
It was a good sleep.
Yeah.
And the sound of the rain was lovely.
And the river.
And the river.
Yeah, it was amazing.
This was a nice spot.
Really it's too bad it's not of the best weather. Oh, birds are coming out, means rain's gonna stop.
Perfect.
That's my theory. I don't know. I make stuff up to make myself happy.
So yeah, we're just gonna pack up and hit the road, head on home, because you know it's Sunday.
Gotta go to work.
Gotta go to work. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Well, that was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was nice to hear our names called out out of nowhere.
Yep. And lo and behold, it was
Chad from Mud Ventures.
Mud Ventures.
And Kyle from High Ground was there.
Yeah, there was quite a
There was
big
quite
group.
a few of them. Yeah.
What do you say? They rolled in at midnight.
Yeah. They went to that mud thing at Willowbrook, Chrysler, I think.
Yeah.
So.
It was cool.
But it was nice to see Chad. It was good.
Yeah.
Well guys, there it is, short and sweet. Joanna and I always have an awesome time out camping, and we really enjoy bringing you guys along with us. So do us a favor, please subscribe, like, comment on the video. It really helps out the channel. We definitely look forward to seeing you guys next week, but until then, get out there, enjoy life, and find your moments. Take care, guys.